Hey guys, this is Sammy from LINE10 Tools. Today I'm going to show you the new 4-inch metal buffing kit for drill. Inside the box you will get 3 buffing wheels, 3 drill adapters, and 3-step buffing compounds. As for the yellow wheels, they are a bit firmer, which results in a more aggressive action, good for removing micro scratches and deep cleaning. As for the white wheels, they're a bit softer and more fluffy, which is perfect to give your project that final mirror-like shine. As for the compounds, these are the dry type. They're solid, more like a wax consistency. So you can apply them to the buffing wheel by rubbing them against the revolving wheel. The heat from the friction will help soften the buffing compound, and it will be applied on the outer edge of the wheel. All you need is a little bit of light film. Now the first thing you want to do is install the shanks on the wheel. You want to make sure there's a washer on each side with the lock washer on the out. You install it like so, and you tighten it all the way so it never comes off. Once you do that to each one of them, they're ready to go in your drill. Next, let me show you how to set up your drill for buffing. At the bare minimum, you will need an electric drill, preferably a corded one that plugs in because of the higher RPM, which results in much faster operation and much better results. This is how I clamp my drill to ensure it's secure and stable throughout the buffing process, which is important to avoid injury. I put protective jaws on the vise to ensure the drill is clamped properly without damage. As always, when working with power tools, wear protective gear such as a face shield, safety glasses, and hearing protection. Remember, you're responsible for your own safety. Always follow the safety guidelines and precautions provided by the machine's manufacturer. If you have a trigger clamp, you can use it to hold the trigger while you are buffing. Step 1. I'm starting with the number 1 buffing compound and the yellow wheel. You can apply the buffing compound by rubbing it against the revolving wheel. With friction heat, the compound will soften and be applied over the edge of the wheel to create a light film of fine buffing abrasive. This light film will be transferred to the surface to remove micro scratches, blemishes, and imperfections from the metal surfaces. While buffing the surface, move the golf club slowly and steadily. Maintain control and avoid applying pressure to the wheel. Let the compound do the work. And remember to apply the compound regularly during the buffing process. If you don't use enough compound, the buffing will be less effective. As I wrap up step 1, I'm switching to a fresh wheel for step 2. Step 2 uses the gray buffing compound with the yellow wheel. Rub the compound side to side for an even layer. You can also use a scrap edge to even it out. Repeat this process until the scratches are gone and the surface looks uniform and free of blemishes. It's highly recommended that the surface be cleaned between each step. Just wipe it with a cloth. Now, I'm changing the wheel again for the final step, this time using the white wheel. For step 3, we'll be applying the number 5 white buffing compound with the soft wheel. This combination will really make the surface shine. And remember to keep applying the compound regularly during this last step. Just repeat the process until you achieve that desired high gloss finish. I'm going to show you an alternative way to use this buffing kit. If you have a drill press, use it. It'll make the process much easier since you won't need to clamp the drill in a vise. Plus, it provides enough RPMs to get the job done faster. Once you're done, give the surface a thorough cleaning, then take a moment to inspect it and admire your work. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.